guys, ang ating finished product. Titikman na natin siya. So, wait lang. Kasi mainit pa siya. So, anuin muna natin. Kasi nga, ayoko ng mantika, guys. Ayan mo ba yan? So, hindi siya na kasi dapat lang talaga na damihan niyo yung mantika para lumutang siya at hindi niya makukuha yung sobrang mantika. So, ayun. Dry na siya, guys. It's dry. So, sige. Titikim tayo. I'm so excited how it looks like. Oh my gosh! Look at this. Oh my gosh, guys. It looks creamy and yummy. So, titikman natin. Oh, I love it. It's good snacks. It's delicious, guys. What about the turon? So I think it tastes the same. I think so because it's the same. So what about we put the toppings on it? So okay. I'm not gonna put all because maybe they don't like it. So uh, I'm gonna try with toppings. So I think this is delicious one. Oh my gosh, guys! Perfect, 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 perfect. Yummy, yummy. It is delicious. So if you have ingredients like this and find ways how to create delicious snacks, guys. That's all. Bye. Thank you for watching.